Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own clove oil, and this oil is actually one of the best hair growth oils that you can use on your hair if you want to grow out your hair and at the same time have healthy scalp, or if you are trying to grow out your receding hairline. So let's get started. Cloves are amazing to use on your hair for hair growth and thickening it because it contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and the strength of your hair. Cloves also has the ability to protect and prevent the scalp from getting dandruff, which can sometimes weaken the hair and affect your hair growth progress. It also contains anti-inflammatory agents, which further helps in hair thickening. Now, for the oils, I will be using 3. You don't really have to, you can just pick one, but I like the combinations of these oils. So for me, I'm using the VCO, olive oil, and almond oil, because not only are these 3 oils great for hair growth, but they can make the scalp and hair soft as well. So in combination, I just think that they give the best results. Okay, so right now I'm going to use a NutriBullet and put the cloves in there and then add in the 3 oils I combined. By the way, the proportion is totally up to you. So that's what it's going to look like. You can also use a blender if you don't have this and just simply blend it until the cloves are in powdered form like this, and then afterwards it's gonna look something like this. So from in here, you can use this as is, or you can actually warm it up or let it infuse for 7 days before using it. Okay, so from here I'm going to use a cheesecloth to filter out the clove granules from the infused oil because you don't want this to get stuck on your hair. So you'll end up having this, and this is what it looks like. So now I will be transferring it into a bottle that looks like this. And by the way, I just noticed that if you do the warmed up or the heated version, its shelf life actually lasts longer rather than the cold pressed one. But you can simply use it as is like this. Alright, so now this is what it looks like. So for the application part, I will put this on the areas that I needed it the most. In my case, I will apply it on my hairline because I want more baby hairs there, and basically just all over my scalp. And if you all notice, I'm not really adding a lot because it is not needed at all. Just use it sparingly and then massage it on my scalp. Now you can also apply this all over your hair, but since I'm just using this for hair growth, I'm going to focus on my scalp alone. Now you can use your fingers to do that, but with me right now, since my nails are long, I'm going to use my scalp massager. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and also kind of like brush it out as well to distribute the oils all over the hair and scalp. And then after that, I will leave that on my hair for 10 to 15 minutes max. And then after that, I just wash it out with my shampoo. And this is the result. Now, I like how not only this is great for hair growth, but it is also great to use for healthy scalp. And every single time I use this, my scalp feels very soft and smooth as well. Plus, this is also great to apply all over your hair. But however, if your aim is only for hair growth, then applying it on your scalp will be ideal. Now, I can say that clove oil is actually one of the best hair growth oils that you guys need to try out. It is super easy to make, and this is one of those DIY oils that doesn't really go bad easily. And as I've said, it has a longer shelf life, especially when you use the heated or the warmed up version of it. So if you guys are using or have used it, let me know in the comments down below what you all think about it and also your results. And also, by the way, you guys, if your scalp is actually sensitive to oils, you can definitely use the clove rinse. I am going to link the tutorial of that down below in the description box. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!